The one thing that I really practice when I'm doing hair and makeup for other people is hygiene, and washing brushes between each client is something I do on a regular basis. So much so that I have so many brushes that I can actually just go and do multiple clients without, you know, thinking like, where's that brush? I need that brush. So for me, using a beauty blender or a blender has been something that I always felt I wouldn't be able to clean. I think in the very beginning when I was training, we were asked to provide like one of those sponges, the wedges, to use foundation with, and I always felt they were never getting clean, and I just didn't like them, and I just felt they were dirty and that they would contaminate products and, you know, breed bacteria. So I never ever, when I went in, you know, after my course to do makeup professionally or either on myself, use the little pads or blenders or foam sponges or anything to apply foundation. But anyway, curiosity got the better of me. I went out one day, just decided to buy a load of products when I was in Boots, and I ended up picking up the Real Techniques blender here. I used it yesterday and I washed it. To my naked eye, I feel like it's clean, but on camera I can see that there's a few little spots on it. But I have washed it. It's very, very slightly damp, but it impressed me, and so I'm using it again for the second time. I totally just recorded myself doing half of my face using the foundation. I didn't press the record button. So we're going again. 1 pump of the Huda Beauty foundation, 2 drops of my Inglot face oils. The face oils just help it blend down a dream. It just glides, it smooths, it hydrates, it leaves still a beautifully matte finish. I was told that this foundation is quite difficult to work with, I was warned, but actually it's really, really easy to work with and quite fast with this blender, actually, much faster than a brush. How many seconds was that? Can someone tell me? Doing the same for the other side. It gets in nice under the eyes. Absolutely flawless. I haven't put concealer on. Viewfinder, I don't really feel like I need any concealer, but just for the tutorial I'm going to apply a tiny bit under my eyes and a little bit around the pigmentation. So I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me, and this is another naughty pleasure, is applying it straight onto my skin with the wand. I don't do that. I did say a little, didn't I? Nyx Brow Pencil, also new. This one is a little grey. For some people, most people, you can actually get away without powdering. I like mine totally, totally matte. So just using the blender to just go over with a powder foundation. And this powder foundation will give me a little bit more coverage just around this area. I think what's happened is it's shiny where I've applied the Fit Me concealer, and everything else is matte, so I'm just trying to balance it out. While I'm at it, I'm going to set my eyes as well with a bit of powder. So I'm using Illamasqua's Coral Blush called Lover. And on a flush, and not too much of a look, but just a flush. I'm just taking it back a little bit and just cleaning up around my temple area. Try to get away without colour correcting. Because we're doing summer look, I'm going to take this Maybelline Strobing liquid onto the tip of that blender. I'm not going to do too much of a glow, just a little bit. I didn't think this was so strong, but it's beautiful. Pretty. Glow where I want it, that's what I like. To finish off, Huda's Liquid Matte Lipstick in Famous. I couldn't go there without not getting myself a lipstick. This is stunning, this colour, and it's very long lasting. Just a bit weary that I haven't done anything with my eyes, and with a lip colour like this I feel like I need to have something. So I'm just going to take a little brush. with some dark eyeshadow and just swish it to my lash line. And sometimes when I feel like I need a little something, this is what I'll do. And brown is my go-to colour for everything. Oh yeah, something I noticed is when I did a fuller look yesterday with eyeshadow, the foundation and the oils together just made the eyeshadow just really glide more so than usual, and I tend to use my Inglot eyeshadows. That's what I'm using now, my Inglot brick. But I just normally, you know, they just feel so much more velvety to apply over this foundation base than usual. And I'm going to get a matte shimmery one just in the centre here, just to give it a little sun. Just very, very subtly. This one is all you need, a 2-colour eyeshadow look with some mascara, which obviously means smile. There you go. This should be interesting with my shaky hands. I don't know why my hands shake so much, and it's gotten worse since I had the pneumonia. I like it. Oh, no look is complete without a Nisha.Davdra nose ring. So that goes in and we are done. Okay, so the nose rings, before you ask, are not yet ready to be sold. They're not ready to go on the internet. These are the sample pieces and I'm waiting for them to be made up in full. So this is an improved piece and I've set it with a Swarovski element. It is, why do I have to lean forward? I can just zoom you in, hang on. I absolutely love these nose rings, so keep an eye out for those. If you want to be the first to find out first dibs on them, just sign up for the newsletter on my website, www.NishaDavdra.com. So this is the final look. I really, really, really love this foundation. It's definitely a going out foundation, but if you shear it down with an oil or with a wet brush, or, you know, just be very sparing with it, then you can wear it as an everyday foundation. So comfortable, like I promise you, so comfortable. If you've been subscribed to me, then please do go back to my homepage or anywhere, just look down below wherever you're watching this from, your phone or your computer, and you'll see a bell button. And if you want to be notified of all my uploads, then go to that bell button, click it, and click on the option that notifies you of all videos as I upload them, because there's been a change and you won't get notified otherwise, even if you're subscribed to me. Other than that, please do leave me a comment below. Hit the thumbs up button and share with friends, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Take care. Bye.